A bank is a place that will lend you money if you prove that you don't need it. Bob Hope. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Project Nexus, a big initiative aimed to transform how money moves across borders in real time. We'll break down why it matters, how it works, and what problems it solves for the global financial system. Let's get started.
Digital payments have become so easy that we hardly give it a thought. With a few taps of your thumb, and you're done. Except when it comes to sending a payment to another country. Despite all of our advancements, the challenges and frustrations remain. Now, a solution is near. Instant payment systems in different countries connecting once through a single hub.
Project Nexus is a multi-jurisdictional initiative to connect domestic instant payment systems across countries. In other words, it's building a plumbing layer so that national fast payment rails can talk to each other seamlessly. Instead of slow, expensive cross-border transfers with multiple intermediaries, delays, and opaque fees, Nexus aims to let money move quickly, cheaply, transparently, and reliably between countries.
Called Nexus. A project led out of the Bank for International Settlements Innovation Hub in Singapore with our partners around the world.
The success of Project Nexus is enabling a coalition of first-moving countries to work towards connecting their domestic fast payment systems.
Nexus links your bank accounts with an applicable ID, such as a phone number, allowing you to send money across borders within seconds.
With Nexus, we can achieve instant cross-border payments linkages at scale through a multilateral approach.
Central banks have always played a role in payments as a public good. With Nexus, this role will be extended to cross-border payments, maximizing the network effects.
That's a natural market for both payments and remittances. So Thailand is in a good position to benefit from this. And that's reflected in our strategy and our approach.
There is a compelling case to develop a multilateral payment network that will further improve on our existing bilateral payment linkages.
Here are 5 major reasons why Nexus is a game changer. Speed. Conventional cross-border transfers often take days. Nexus aims for instant or near real-time settlement across borders. Costs. By reducing intermediaries, markup and friction fees can shrink. Transparency. Users and institutions can track fees and settlement status more clearly. Inclusion and access. It opens up cross-border transactions to more people and businesses, including in jurisdictions that lack deep correspondent banking networks. Resilience and innovation. A more interoperable architecture encourages new services such as cross-border micropayments, remittances, and trade finance. So in the financial world, Nexus addresses one of the long-standing pain points. How do you move money across borders as fast, cheap, and reliable as domestic transfers?
One of the value propositions for us from Nexus is being able to link up very, very easily and speedily with other economies as well.
According to a World Bank assessment, the average cost of remittances is about 6.2% or so. Even at 6.2%, I think there is considerable scope for reducing the cost, and Project Nexus is trying to achieve that.
Nexus isn't a single payment rail, it's a connective framework with key points focused on domestic instant payment systems and rails in each country, central banks and settlement authorities ensuring finality and trust, the Nexus connector and translator nodes, whose interfaces that speak both domestic protocols and Nexus protocol, and messaging and settlement layers that coordinate across jurisdictions. Basically, Nexus has one standard that the entire world operates under. Here's an example of how Nexus works. When someone in country A sends funds to a payee in country B via Nexus, the payer's domestic instant rail packages a payment message with the required data. It goes to the Nexus connector in country A, which maps fields, ensures compliance, validations, and routing information. That message passes through a cross-border switch or hub. Then the connector in country B receives it, transforms it to the domestic instant rail format, and submits to local settlement and instant payment systems. The settlement happens ideally in real time or near real time. Depending on design, value settlement might occur via central bank accounts or via specialized cross-currency settlement mechanisms. Also, the messaging includes status updates, confirmations, error codes to assure both sides know where the payment is.
This collaboration with partner countries will help deliver a platform that is scalable, low cost, and benchmarked against global standards.
We expect cross-border exchanges in commerce, tourism, employment, and education to grow. Instant payments connectivity like Nexus will support the growth of these exchanges.
Central banks, such as ourselves, need to play an important role. This includes setting the overall tone, fostering collaboration, and streamlining the approach.
Now, let's look at some concrete use cases for Project Nexus. Remittances. Workers sending money home can use Nexus rails to reduce costs and time. Cross-border e-commerce and retail payments. Customers and merchants benefit from real-time settlement and transparent fees. Trade finance and supply chain payments. Fast settlement of invoices and better cash flow. Interbank liquidity management across borders. Banks now can process more money dramatically, which optimizes cross-border liquidity. The cumulative impact, more financial inclusion, more efficient global trade, lower frictions, and enabling new financial services that currently aren't feasible due to costs and delay constraints.
It is a partnership of central banks with a shared vision of transforming cross-border payments so that it's efficient and reliable.
This is a precursor to greater international cooperation among countries to achieve these twin objectives of making fast payments at a reduced cost.
So to summarize, Project Nexus improves global finance by bridging the gap between domestic instant payments and cross-border transfers. It delivers faster settlement across countries, lower costs and fewer intermediaries, greater transparency and traceability, expanded access for underserved markets, new opportunities for fintech innovation and cross-border services. Is a major step towards making cross-border money movement as frictionless as domestic payments.
The BIS is proud to participate with our partners in this project to advance our shared vision of a global multilateral network of connected fast payment systems.
Nexus has the potential to be a global service, creating benefits for economies and citizens around the world.
And that wraps up our breakdown of Project Nexus, its purpose, architecture, challenges, and real-world impact. It's ambitious, but if executed well, it could reshape cross-border payments globally. If you like this deep dive, hit the like button, subscribe for more finance and tech content, and leave a comment. Which country would you like to see join Nexus first? Or what use case excites you the most? Thanks for watching, and until next time, let's keep building a more connected financial world. Peace.